Hello guys, my name's Victor, and I've got my friend called Princess. She's also an admin of this group called Easy Task. So here's the tutorial or the video to teach you on how to do the task on this platform called Easy Task. So here is what we're going to do. Since you're already a registered member, so let's get to the videos. So you click on the platform. I'm sure you're already a registered member. So what you're supposed to do when you find yourself here, you're supposed to look down up, pants up. I'm sure you can see here, down, here down, up, here down. When you look down up, you'll see where it's written task, you click there. So when you click here, since you're already a registered, sorry for the message, so since you're already a registered member but you're not updated, upgraded, so what you have to do, since you're in 0, so you have to just press on this white circle, V0. There's V0, V1, V2, V3, blah blah blah, and so forth. So you press on V0. Bam. When you press on V0, as you can see, there are 3 on the task list. There are 3. So these, let's start from the down part. So this one is expired, and this one is expired. So they're therefore invalid. So what you're supposed to do is go on this one which is written receive, because it's valid, it's saying receive. So you click there, please. So after you click here, you see all this has to be, to understand better, all this has to be on Facebook when you're about to post all this. So now the question you're asking is, how are we going to copy all this? It's very simple. On technology, you just click here, copy text content. Therefore, when you click here, inshi a boss inshimo copying a von save, inshimo copying a boss von save, because you have to copy all this for you to post on Facebook. So since I've clicked here, copy successful, so which means I've copied everything. So after you are done here, you come down, and this picture as well has to be on Facebook. You have to post this picture as well. So what you're supposed to do is save the picture as well. How are you going to save the picture? Simple. It's written up, save picture. I'm sure you all know how to read, all of you. Someone got a phone, you click here on save picture. Let me do. Bam. Download. We use different types of phones. Some of you, my phone you do when you just click here, it's already saved in your gallery. Now some of us touch it, you have to click then download. So let's wait for it. Good. Since it's downloaded now, and then after you're done, copying a content, you come down here, the picture, you press on received. Bam. Okay, received. Yachonga received. Silifuna, no, it didn't show received. It has to show everything. When you click, it has to show. So it has shown received. So after you're done, von save, guys, this is where you go now. Where? On Facebook. Kuti Facebook. You go on Facebook, guys. I'm sure you better be Facebook nowadays. All of you have got Facebook. Hello, please use Facebook Lite. We don't want complications. Use Facebook Lite. But didn't Facebook Lite. Figure about Facebook Lite. When you reach here on Facebook Lite, you click on your thing where you post. I don't know why you watch Facebook, what type of Facebook, but please, I'm insisting use Facebook Lite. Good. So since you already copied everything, I don't want to hear no, I don't want to do pavochita, but before you even type in anything, hold on apa, you hold on. You hold on. Let me show you. Some people want to vote. You hold on, pariponse. Kind of typing. So you just hold on. Hold on for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Then you let go. Maona, kalita chan. Kalita paste somewhere. I'm sure you also it. Ka paste. Then what thing ka paste? Pa, you click there. After you click on paste, which means more copying a hoja. It's now here. So one thing remaining. You come on photos. Here, photos. You click here on photos and videos. For you to upload that photo you saved kuja. Bam, you click. Kwa you do the next thing apapansa, but the next. Then photo chapi is just appear. So after you have done all that, guys, no posting we just post. So after it's done posting, yes, as you can see, you're posting and there's no doubt about it just now. So after you're done doing that, you screenshot. So after you're done screenshotting, you go back kuja ku website, ukafika ku website, back, you press back hapa phone pana papata, ukafika pa back, ukafika hapa, you press here pa menu, you press here pa corner hapa, pa me hapa, pa me hapa. I hope you can all see. Oh, sorry, sorry guys, sorry. You press here pa me hapa, pa me. So after you press pa me, kwang latinika mafoni atu haya yosira kwa pamoja zongo mbekeza. So after you press on me, you go on my task, guys. Don't ask me why I'm slow. I'm doing it for all of you to understand. I know some people, they don't cope up so easily, so I'm trying my best to be slow. So mafika pa task hapa, you press pa task, you wait for it. Not finished. Not finished. You click there. So after you click, state not finished. You can remember not finished state, which means Mercedes is a boss. So what you have to do, press here on submit. When I'm going to submit, so I have to say, submit, guys. Each word submit. Click there. You click there on submit. So now, the link address of your task post, which is on which the link address of your task post. So mwana kafuna link masoba so hapa link ya jana nichoke ku link. So hapa wina guys that ni manager link ija nikuposting hapa mimi hapa. No, you go back on Facebook. So after reach on Facebook, ija post ema posting. I'm sure you're all using Facebook, right? You click here up. You click here. So after you click here, you copy the link of the post you posted. You copy link up. Link to post copied to clipboard. Then you go back. Pa standby. Kaya man ka pa standby. Mafonyo $1 afoka cha pa standby. But yanga so $1 maningi. Go cheap. So you click here. Click for just when I'm saying as you swap. Nikutiniki for 2 seconds. Then paste. Good. Ija link ya Facebook, ija na posting ija post ija. Nde link ili hapa. Then photo ija ite such screenshot. Makumbuka ni such screenshot. You click here. You go to gallery. It will take you to your gallery on your phone. Some phone ya tu ama ngondo. So when you reach my screenshots, gallery one, you just screenshot. you press done pakona pamapezeka ka done or ka next or something. I don't know the type of phone you're using. You put the screenshot into this toolbox, you wait it to load, you wait for it. Usata mangina ni drama guys, drama za mahara hizi kuembekeza chintu kuembekezako same nansima ngakabo kupya mwembekeza simungate porridge aba tufuna kuti nsima kuti porridge kulibe so each screenshot mwachiona ichi, it's there, the screenshot is there, I've seen it each chili hapo. So you press on submit, task has been submitted, waiting for review. Chapwa, that's how we do it. Chapwa, checking. So I'm manager within 3 minutes or 5 minutes the task in shaka 6 kwacha kangira my account. Kwa sira niba vuvutana guys hapa pena vuvutana hapa simple ngando 10 uzipanga ndrama fast within 3 days you now 1.5 my account, then you forget what your phone. As long as you do the task and everything. Thank you guys for watching. Get much understand, please contact me or Princess.